Welcome to the AskPatrick series. Today's question is by Blogger Man. Question is, what study material should I refer to if I am self-preparing for the CAT exam? Now, there are a lot of study material available. One common mistake that people do is they refer to many study material at the same time. Don't do that. My recommendation is when you're completing the syllabus, refer to one, maximum two sources of notes, preferably one, so that you understand the whole concept properly. Now, which study materials are good? I think all study materials are good enough. You can pick up any material from any of the classes. That's perfectly all right. Ideally, if you've already joined a class, then pick up material from that specific class. If not, and if you're picking up any material, pick up from any of the classes and study from the study material. That's perfectly all right. Right? Or you can look at books. There are many books available. For example, for mathematics, you have Arun Sharma, Nishit Sinha, Sarvesh Verma books. For DLR, again, you have Arun Sharma, Nishit Sinha books. You can refer those. Verbal, normally reading helps a lot, so that also will do. There are also video series available. You can refer to the video series and then prepare accordingly. So whichever source, but pick up that one source, because then the methods follow, because every person who teaches has a specific method which is linked to all topics. So it makes sense to understand the method throughout the topic so that you are familiar with it. Otherwise, you refer one topic for one person, second topic for second person, the method will get confusing, and eventually you may not perform as per what you should have. So therefore, it's very important that you focus on one or max two sources and prepare throughout. Whichever classes, whichever sources are fine. Okay, what is important will come in the second stage of preparation after your syllabus. That we'll look at it later. Right now, for syllabus, pick up any source that you're comfortable with. Hope that helps. Thank you.